Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're not new here, thank you for coming back. So today I'm just going to show you how I got this look, and if you're interested, just keep watching. I'm going to get right into the video. Okay, so I went ahead and filled in my brows with the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in black, and now I'm just going to put some of this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in Fair Warm all over that lid, just so that we have a nice clean light base to make the colors pop. Just gonna blend that out with this tiny little, like, it's kind of like a beauty blender. It's a Real Techniques sponge. Okay, just blend that all out. And blend and blend and blend. Okay, then I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender. And I need some more of that, actually. It's looking a little patchy, running low. Time to get something new. What's your favorite eyeshadow base? Comment that down below, because I've been trying to try new ones because I never used them before, really. I always used to just like put my eyeshadow on, you know. I'd put foundation over my eyelids. I also used to do my foundation first, so lots changed. And I kind of like just comes out a little bit patchy, and I also don't want to use actual concealer anymore. I want to use like something that's like intended to be an eyeshadow base, just because I've heard that concealers are not always the best because they have a lot of oils in them, usually because you use them on your under eye and stuff, just because you want those parts to not crease. So it kind of can cause your shadow not to last as long. So yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Boss Mood. It's the 35M palette, and a small little crease brush. This is just an e.l.f. one, and I'm gonna dip into this color right here. It's like a light brown. I'm just going to put that right in my crease. And just pat that in. And just blend that out. And just keep on blending, blending, blending. And then after I've got that kind of blended out, I'm going to go in with this Morphe Nature Glow 350 palette. And I'm going to use this shade right here. And it looks a little yellowy on here, but it's like a tan. And I'm going to use just a little fluffy brush. This is like an eye contour brush from Bare Minerals, and I'm just going to use this to kind of blend out that outer edge up to the brow bone, just because I don't want that like stark white like right next to that brown. I just want it to look like it blends away nicely. And you can just blend that on down into that brown. And if you feel like you blended the brown out too much, you can always add just a little bit more. I don't add more to the brush until I really know I need it. I kind of just use what's left over. Okay, and now after you've got this all blended out to your liking, we're gonna go back in with the Boss Mood palette. And we're gonna grab this color right here, and actually I'm gonna use this one. So, and go in with a new clean brush, which I'm just using a fluffier version of the e.l.f. brush I was using to begin with. And I tap that off just because I don't want this to be too crazy intense. So, oh no, okay, so then just tap that into that outer corner. Like so, and kind of up into the crease, but only like to the middle. And then actually, instead of using the brush I just used to pack that on, I'm going to go back into this color that we used first from the Boss Mood palette, and I'm going to dip my brush in that, the same brush I originally used, tap it off a little bit, and blend this out with that. And just dip in for a little bit more whenever you need it, just to really blend out that edge. Then I'm just going to go back in with that color that I used up by the brow bone and further blend out that line. All right, now I'm gonna actually go in with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in light beige, and I'm gonna just cut this crease. Then I am going to just go back in with this Boss Mood palette and grab this gold color here. And with that, and just take a concealer brush. I want a different brush. It's not cutting it for me. Okay. Now we're gonna go back in with that brown we used, the darker brown that we used on this outer edge. And we're just going to blend that into the gold, just so that that is a nice blended edge there and not like super harsh and crazy. Then I'm just gonna go in with the gold, not very much, and I'm going to just again blend that line together. And then back in with this brush. Back in with this brush just to, like I keep on saying, do some more blending. Okay, sorry, technical difficulties. But, where were we? Okay, we were blending. Okay, so I'm going to do my skin and I will be right back. All right, I got my face all done, and now I'm just going to finish up these eyes. And to do that, Jesus, I forgot the freaking TV was on. So, sorry about that. Okay, so anyway, oh my God. Okay, I forgot to turn the TV off, so I'm gonna have to re-say what I just said, but all I did was I put this, put the gold that I use on the top just right in this inner corner, like so. And then I'm going in with the original lighter brown we used on the crease, and I'm putting it on this outer corner here just to kind of smoke this out a little bit. And now we're just going to add a little bit of mascara. I'm just using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I don't dip it back into the tube. I just go straight into the bottom lash and just like barely. fix that when it dries. And there we go. And I'm just gonna wait for it to dry so I can fix it. And while that's drying so I can fix it, I'm going to go in with this needs sharpening. One sec. Okay, and this is just the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Dirty Peach. I'm just gonna line the lips with this. And then just fill the lip in with that same color. Am I the only person who makes like the literal ugliest faces when they're doing their lipstick? I don't know why I make those faces. Anywho, we're gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics, the same colored lipstick in Dirty Peach. And just go over this. And while that's like kind of drying for a few seconds, I'm gonna go in and fix this mascara. Get that out of there. And then if it's kind of hard to get out, sometimes I'll just take my brow brush. Do any last touches we need. Just make sure we're liking everything. And then last, I'm gonna go back in one more time with the Nature Glow and this color here. And I'm just gonna use this right on that brow bone. Then I'm just gonna go in with a gloss. I went to glitter gloss. This is the first one I saw. And I don't know what this is. I always forget what this brand is. I got it for like Christmas. It's just here, I'll show you it. Looks like that. It says YBF on it. And this is in the color L09 Iced Wineberry. And I'm just going to add some of that to the lip. And dab it in with my finger a little bit. Because I don't just want like a thick coat on there. I kind of just want it to look a little glistening. All right. Oh. We forgot our inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna use that same color that I used on that brow bone and just add a little bit more highlight to that inner corner. Oh, a little too much. Fix that with the finger. I could use a little bit more here too. All right, so there's the look. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys again on Monday.